Okay, so hello everyone. Good morning. So welcome to this stand up for day 7 of this 2 week challenge. Okay, so you know the drill. Please, if you like, share with us your stand up or update. Where are you? Are you ready for the submission for today? And if you have any questions or blockers. So let's go ahead. Who wants to go first? As always, you can also write if you're not capable of speaking. Give me you. So let's start with you. And can you share with us how is it going? Okay. This guy says that he's in a bad network. Okay. Sorry that you are having problems, but if you can, maybe you can write your update or your questions. So let's start with a simple question. Are you ready for the submission today? Okay, that's great. Kushu is ready for the submission. Okay. Have you made like a good headway in the project? Like how, like percentage wise, how much of the work have you done? Like which task are you like you have finished? Yeah. Yes. Go ahead. You can speak.
Okay, thank you. My name is Gammachu. Yesterday I have taught at the last time, I think. Until now, I have finished the task one and the task two, which means data processing and data analysis, and as well as I have already trained the model. I have around seven. I have trained around seven models, but I can't share my progress or my code because of what? Because of I leave from office for the lunch. Then my laptop is not available with me. Because of this, I haven't shared the progress or the code because I am attending stand up by using a mobile phone.
Okay.
So
Okay. Go ahead. That's fine.
so so already I have finished the task 2 and up to task 2 I have finished. Then today I will start task 3. My progress is this. Thank you.
Okay, that's great. Thank you for sharing. Yeah, so that's great. And if you allow me to ask, like you said, you have done task two with training the models. So have you trained? So my question is, have you trained the seven models? And if you have, which how did you do that? Did you do it on Google Colab? Did you do it locally? How did you manage it? Because one of your colleagues were asking about like the time it takes to train the models. So I'm just asking for that. So yeah, my question is, how many models did you train, and where did you do that? Like, did you use Google Colab or something else?
No, I have used my computer is a performance computer which have a GPU around 60 GB GPU. My computer have 60 GB GPU. Then
Okay.
it takes 1 day for training. I have started from Sunday up to today morning. I have trained on my computer.
Okay, great. Thank you for answering. Yes, that's great. Thank you. Okay. This is from Demetrio. So who else wants to share? Let me read. This guy, I was saying that I was working on addressing class imbalance, and I'm going to use small to increase minority class instance. Okay, good. So this is prior to the training. Very good. So thank you for sharing that. So who else? Masihon, can you share your stand up with us or your update? That's fine. If you cannot speak, you can write down. Just let us know. How is it going? Are you ready for the submission for today? Are you facing any problems or blockers? If you have questions, how many of the tasks you have done, can you just write down? Um, So while we're waiting, let me ask you. Um, so, how do you feel about this with this week challenge? Like, does it? Do you feel like you're really on top of all the concepts? Um, do you find it like have you learned anything new with this challenge? I don't know if you can share like something that you learned new with this particular challenge this week or last week while we wait for the sound update. Okay, so what I want to say is I have trained 3 models so far and use MLflow to track model properties. Very good. Okay, thank you for sharing that. So I would say all of you here that you are on track for submission, it seems, and no major issues. Okay. Anyone who wants to answer my question? Like, have you learned something new or okay? Kimachi is saying, I'm very happy facing these challenges because it's related to my specialization. That's good. Okay, thank you. Okay. So, are there any questions or like something that you are you want to share, like something that you're interested or learning? Maybe just use this space for that. I'll give you a minute. So, any questions or anything you want to share before like we end this session? Because like there are not enough many people now, so. Otherwise, if you're happy, maybe give me a thumbs up so that we can just end the session and you can basically move on to waiting for the next session. I have, I think, a tutorial at in 45 minutes. Okay, very good. So since there are no questions and everyone has shared their stand-up, thank you everyone for being here. Let me end the session here or end